God of
No one escapes hell.
I forgot. They have an Iron Fist player though.
Who am I gonna banish
We have one
from this
too.
match?
There's so many Psylocks. Do we want to get rid of him just to be safe?
It don't matter. Playing Loki regardless. I'm down to get rid of it.
Adam, I hate res comp.
Why are we banning Adam?
I would not ban Adam here over John Aim. Maybe here if you want, but not first ban.
Do we want to ban Adam or Psylocke? I do hate Gamma actually.
I'll deal with.
I hate Gamma.
I'm playing Loki if y'all are relegating me. Cool, they got rid of it for us. No.
I am Loki, god of mischief and the king of Asgard.
Pick your hero.
So you streaming then, I'm guessing, or
I'm
something
not
like that?
judging.
Yeah. Yeah, we're playing on stream. Nothing too crazy though.
Oh, your stream name different or something then?
If you don't play support, I'll just go support.
Hold on. Right, yeah. It was my old name. I changed it, but it was my old
Like, you
username.
just say something, bro.
That was my old username.
Without chaos.
That hurt. See them? Right there.
I outnumber you.
Punisher.
I was in trouble.
Oh, I'm fine. Don't mind me.
World.
I'm just holding ass right now.
Punish your top left. Punish your top left. He's right here. He's right here with a shotty.
He dropped. I can't go into them. Just turn back. I got picked up.
I outnumber you.
It's the grand finale.
Push with this.
Who's here?
Break it. We can break it. We got time.
Breaking it. It should be broken.
I got that.
I am ready to put on a show.
Judge!
Met 96.
You don't want to be like this. This is disgusting. This is awful in every way. If I could kill it, I would. But I legally can't. But I've considered it.
Needed that boost.
Need this Jeff player off this fucking game. I'm gonna be real.
Time to vanish.
I need my Venom to be playing Mag.
Armor's high ground. No pick.
I still need you.
Where you thanked me.
Double kill.
That worked out.
Who have we here?
Control C.
Oh, it's the poor Rocket baby.
Thanks.
I have many faces.
He's just like, yes, I accept my fate. Do it.
Killing for my friends.
Escaping us now.
I'm gonna ult this fight.
Another unsuspecting foe.
Surely someone needs healing.
I like the cold. I need some help.
Halt the adversary. Needed that boost. I am a true
Oh, God.
player.
Oh, I'm so cooked. I'm so
Back up.
cooked. I got Mag. I got the Mag though.
This is real firepower! Healing for my friends.
3, 2,
I got
1.
I was worried.
Has anyone bothered to consider a defense?
I am ready to put on a show.
We have Loki ult.
Captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Judge! Jury!
I am ready to put on a show. That one hurts.
Double damage. Reset.
You just stood in it, brother. Gotta do that. 3, 2, 1.
Fall back.
Die on point. Do not fall back. Die on point.
They're down Luna. They're down Luna. They're down Luna.
Render me assistance.
You ran away. You were
Yeah,
behind.
one support versus one support. Keep our Loki alive at all costs. Star-Lord and our Loki.
Outnumber you.
Down point.
I outnumber you.
Like Mag would be so free here. They
They're on high ground. They're on high ground.
Invigorating, no.
I was in trouble.
I'm gone.
Looks like the mission area is yours
Fucked up
to
my
capture
phone.
now. The mission area is yours.
I'm everywhere.
One.
There's one.
I am ready to put on a show.
Invigorating, no.
I was worried.
Your powers are mine.
I am ready to put on a show. I'm hurt.
Break it. We still have time. Break it. We still have time. 3, 2, 1.
Nobody's just trying to punish the turret.
I like that.
Bro, this dude is a Jeff Adam Penny main.
A nice deep freeze.
It's quite welcome.
Mag one, mag one.
You belong to me!
I go.
You
Now
go.
that's white
Damn, that was
queen,
big.
Control seized.
I didn't think it'd be that
The
big.
more the
LOS, LOS, LOS.
The area is almost yours.
number you.
It's the grand finale.
Time to
Yes, yes. I lowered the rocket so he was one shot when he went in there.
Star-Lord right here.
Yeah, get him, get him.
ETB'd.
If we get him, they don't have time. If we kill Star-Lord, make sure he doesn't touch Roof Fine.
I mean, they don't have time anyways.
Let's go. No, he definitely had touch. He definitely had touch there. So,
Yeah, unless they force something.
yeah. They'll have Star-Lord ult soon, I believe.
I outnumber you.
Right there.
Invigorating, no.
Bucky, Bucky, Bucky. Look back, look back.
I am ready to put on a show.
I can't. I can't peek because of the silence.
Unfortunate, we gotta reset, reset.
Play aggressive. I have Loki ult. I'm gonna copy early.
Get in there.
Frozen.
Your powers are mine.
I am ready to put on a
You guys
show.
are getting blocked
Turn around.
by the invis shield.
I got grabbed, I got grabbed.
I'm leaving. 3, 2,
Oh, it's up.
1.
We're down, we're down.
Again.
Star-Lord for good.
I'm a 1.
I triumph again.
Their team's capture progress.
Holy, my HP.
Your god is suffering.
I'm gonna go up top right and then silence him.
You get a wet! You get a wet! You get a wet! Once I get you stuck. Now that's white queen mind control.
Nice. Good ult, good ult.
Suppose that helped.
Their Bucky did ult,
I'm
right?
everywhere.
Their Bucky did ult last fight, yeah.
We have to bait out lambs if you want to use
I
Star Luna.
outnumber you.
They're going back.
This deserves your attention.
Yeah, they're all up there.
Captured more than half of the mission area.
Hit him with
Yep,
the
they're going
white
high ground.
wings, baby. If only I could throw Wolverine up there.
Grand finale.
I'm gone.
Holy, what
He
the?
grabbed him. He's
Shit, Wolf.
insane.
We're finding our groove.
Bucky.
Your powers are mine.
I am ready to put on a show.
I was fine.
I'm gonna get hit by
Powers
that.
are
I
mine.
am ready to put on a show.
I barely got.
I got frozen.
The area is almost yours.
Loki one, Loki
3,
one.
2, 1.
They're down, Loki. On Emma, Emma, Emma. Look at Emma, look at
Render me assistance.
Invis.
TP, they're gonna TP.
You are restored.
Invis down.
The doctor's opened a portal.
Nice.
Let's keep fighting until we have a winner.
Look, Loki.
What's on your Luna? What's on your Luna?
I suppose that.
Wolf, no
Living room to
passive.
one. Look, Loki one. Nice. Wolf one.
almost
Luna,
alive.
Luna. Invis.
They're almost on me. Thank you.
It's just Star-Lord.
I am ready to put on
Yeah, I
a
almost
show.
have my ult too. I can just kill him.
Here come our next victims.
Come on in, Venom.
That one hurt.
Oh, it doesn't
Easy.
matter. 31-5, not bad.
That was
Yeah,
a
we need to
Loki
avoid those
fucking
people.
masterclass, dude. That was a Loki fucking masterclass.
Another epic victory.
The shit that I pulled off there was absolutely insane.
Basically perfect lamps every time.
Literally everything, dude.
There we go.
Let's fucking go.
Plus 24 for that. Wait, our
2,
BP players on
1.
Luna. Okay.
I mean, he's kind of forced onto it.
the way to Avengers Tower. Follow me.
I'm hurt. Dr. Doom tore everything apart. I want to be a part
Tried
of
to
the
get her to
effect.
BP. Oh no, that's a Wolverine.
There is a BP though.
Render me assistance. I have many faces.
No passive.
All eyes on these coordinates.
BP top left. Be careful.
I have many faces.
Getting
Another hit. I suck.
zoned.
Yo, wait, what?
We have a BP on us.
Yeah, I'm feeling all the time, so.
Time to vanish.
Wolverine, careful.
Kill him.
You belong to me.
Your powers are mine!
I am ready to put on a show.
I feel both support.
We win here. No more ults. We win here. No more ults. BP behind us. BP behind us.
Keep going. This shit's hard.
I hit him with the snow buddy mind
Don't
control.
confuse me.
They're all-
I'm everywhere.
Nice. Fucking people.
The more
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
They definitely got support ults here.
I was fine, but thank you.
They used invis. We just need to survive the one. Force it out of them. Here, Luna ult here as soon as you get it, and we can break it.
firepower!
Just got it. Oh, bro.
Break the damn thing.
Dangerous! The more the merrier. Again! By the eye of Agamotto! Again!
Why did we use the Luna ult to push the rocket and destroy it?
Again!
What are they doing?
Oh. Hear me. Iron Man. He's one. Iron Man one.
Thanks so much.
Oh, okay. I didn't need that.
Only 60 seconds
The
left.
poor little rocket trying to stall. Little baby.
Vehicle reached the checkpoint.
Eat a laser.
What was he on
I think
before
it's one
when
of
we
the more.
started?
I think it's one of the more decent.
Yeah, he's actually
Most
really.
Iron Man. Like most Iron Man one tricks, just they whiff 9 out of 10 ults and just get dinked out of the air 24/7.
We're gonna have to start breaking some of these walls.
Keep going.
Robot has what it takes. I still need you. Invigorating, no. Your powers are mine!
Whoa.
I am ready to put on a show.
Pulse!
Break it. 3, 2, 1.
A nice deep
I froze him.
Armed and dangerous! Again! Healing for my friends.
Emma.
I don't mind me. The
Good as Iron Man.
Watch me roar.
Rocket right here.
Go on.
Right here. Rocket right here.
Rocket behind you, Bucky. Rocket.
I'm a true team player. La-di-da. Again! You are restored. The more the merrier.
Kill it, kill it.
A nice almost there.
3 and card, we should make it. I think we make it
I was
3.
worried.
Nope.
I was just a second off. I was reloading, sorry.
Bruh, I don't know why our Bucky grabbed him.
Throw him
I
on the
could have
card.
kicked him away.
No invis, and we can kill through rocket if we use Bucky ult here soon.
Invigorating, no. I was fine, thank you.
Your god is your powers are mine.
I'm ready to
Break the wall, break the fucking wall! He doesn't have a clone to hit, just survive this.
break through now. A nice
3, 2,
We are living weapons.
fired.
That too.
I'm gonna, if we can make it to C2, I'm gonna get off after I hit C2.
battle starts in 5,
If not, I might
3, 2, 1.
get off after a game or 2.
The enemy has arrived.
I have many faces.
Iron Man flanking. He's downstairs, maybe?
No, he's on the bottom left, yeah.
Invigorating, no.
We need space. We need one like 3 spikes there. One.
I outnumber you.
I'm ammo.
They immediately got off too.
It's alright. Wolf's not bad into this. Something else after him.
Render me assistance.
Look at me, look at me.
I'm everywhere. Am I saying this?
What? I TP'd! I got the animation. I was on the other fucking side, bro.
I always come back. The more the merrier.
I suppose that helped.
Invigorating, no.
I like the cold.
Get in there. Armed and dangerous.
Nope, I grabbed Bucky by accident. Good luck, everybody.
Wait, he kills Iron Man shit.
I mean, I can go
Better
for
stop that
after I ult. I mean, after I ult.
God is wounded. Are you mortals blind?
It is taking so much space here, bro.
I have many faces.
By the eye of Agamotto!
I didn't see,
Disappear!
Your
There you go.
powers are
Right
I
there.
am ready to put on a show.
hold shield for me, be careful.
Iron Man.
I was fine.
3, 2, no more ults, no more ults, 3. Break it, 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 break it.
I have many faces.
Bro, one.
Dangerous!
They all in that.
Big Aggie, baby. Big
They're
Aggie.
gonna, they're gonna try to.
I like the cold.
I'm everywhere.
They got Iron Man ult. Try to kill him before he fight.
I still
No, where'd my clone go? What the fuck, dude?
find as I live. I have many faces.
Careful, it's hard to heal you on the steps.
I am strengthened for battle.
You have my full support. Cheap tricks with
Nice.
Come on.
Dude, what is this guy aiming at?
What, our Bucky?
Yeah. Like, actually, there was nothing there to be. Dude, schizo. Back up, fully back up. We don't have shit for that.
Iron Man gonna use ult soon.
By the eye
your powers are mine!
I am ready to put on a show.
Careful for Iron ult.
I like the cold.
Iron Man, shoot him, shoot him.
You need me.
I suppose that.
Invis no jump. Invis no jump. Invis 1 HP.
3,
Don't jump.
2, 1. No more ults. No more ults. No more ults.
They went group,
You stopped them in their tracks.
then Luna.
Made him switch.
Hold this wall. Hold this corner. Hold this corner. Don't back up. Don't let them have it for free. Hold that corner.
Only 60
They can all see you.
disappear.
Made him leave here. That's huge.
Armed and dangerous again!
Don't let him get a recharge.
He has to. That was huge. Get those supports.
Both sports.
That was huge.
We won. Big Aggie.
No more ults. No more ults. No more ults. No more ults.
Down to 30 seconds.
Come back.
No,
Come
let's
back. Come
hold up
back.
Here so we can cancel. You can cancel portals. They try.
They can touch though. They can touch. Play the wall here. Play this wall here. Don't go forward.
Oh yeah.
Solo got ult. Solo got ult. I'm pretty sure. Or he's close.
He'll be able to get it at least. He's 50% probably. They definitely have Groot, so spread out. Be careful. Shoot him. I got you. Shoot the support. Shoot the support.
So fucking shit, bro.
Bro, I'm insane. I'm insane. I'm actually the best fucking player that has ever lived. I am actually the best fucking player that
Dude, I
has
literally
ever
hit
graced
right up
this.
there with my Agamotto right above the doorway and
Yeah.
just dropped on their 2 support.
I saw that. That shit was crazy, dude. I fucking survived everything and kept everybody alive, dude. I'm insane.
26 and 8. You're 19-6. We got this.
That's 6.
Final, the same final hits for you and me.
Where's the
Or
score?
when I'm back into Celestial.
One more and I'm C2. And then I will probably do VOD reviews after. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 2. I was right.